I wish someone told this to me earlier. 9 years ago, when I moved to Germany, I thought I had done my research. I had watched the videos, read the articles, even made my checklist, and still got caught off guard by things that nobody talks about. So today I'm doing the video I wish existed back then. 9 things that will actually help you when you move to Germany. So I've divided into before landing and after landing activities. So before landing is the time when you actually start looking for apartments. So number one scam would be unfinished apartments that are actually empty. जब आप जर्मनी में अनफिनिश्ड अपार्टमेंट ढूंढते हो तो अनफिनिश का मतलब सिर्फ फर्नीचर नहीं होता. नो कर्टन्स, नो लाइट फिटिंग्स, नो शेल्व्स एंड इन मेनी केसेस नो किचन एट ऑल. हाँ, किचन भी नहीं होता. लाइक दैट वाज सो शॉकिंग टू मी. दैट वाज द फर्स्ट एंड बिगेस्ट कल्चरल शॉक दैट किचन के बिना कैसे घर दे सकते हैं. सो प्रीवियस टेनेंट अपना पूरा किचन उठा के ले जाता है उनके नेक्स्ट घर में. Second one is your Anmeldung. Anmeldung means registration. This is your address registration with local government office, and it is the single most important document you will need in Germany. बिना इसके आप बैंक अकाउंट नहीं खोल सकते, हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस एक्टिवेट नहीं हो सकता और टैक्स आईडी भी नहीं मिलेगा. तो मतलब जॉब स्टार्ट कैसे करोगे? As soon as you have permanent address, your priority is booking your Anmeldung appointment. डू नॉट वेट फॉर दिस बिकॉज छोटी सिटी में तो एक दो हफ्ते में मिल भी जाएगा, बट इन बिगर सिटीज़ इट कैन टेक अप टू 3 months एंड यू हैव टू डू इट लेटेस्ट बाय 2 weeks. सो take that as soon as you get your apartment. Then next thing is about finance. So tax returns can get you thousands back. Most Indians moving to Germany do not file their tax returns, which is called in Germany Steuererklärung. Tax is a super serious topic even if you are a student here, and they leave a lot of money on the table when they are not doing this Steuererklärung. Expenses, especially the initial one, counts toward tax return. So keep all receipt and don't be like me, because things like flight tickets, laptop, phone, Wi-Fi contract, router, mobile SIM, etc. हर एक चीज़, कुछ कुछ लोग तो पेन भी डालते हैं, पेन खरीदा हुआ कॉस्ट एंड बुक्स खरीदे हुए कॉस्ट इन their tax return. So keep all the receipt and really don't be like me. Average return for expat can be anyway between 500 euro to 1500 euro per year. तो एक फोल्डर बनाओ अपने कंप्यूटर में ईयर के हिसाब से एंड कीप ऑल योर रिसीप्ट्स इन दीज फोल्डर्स बिकॉज अल्टीमेटली यू हैव टू गिव डिजिटल प्रूफ्स. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज योर क्रेडिट स्कोर. It starts from zero. Germany has its own credit system, which is called as Schufa. When you first arrive, your Schufa score is zero, and it is stored because you have no financial history here. This affects your ability to rent apartment, get certain phone contracts, or even buy certain expensive things, and sometimes even some bank products. That's why building a good Schufa score takes time. Start by opening a bank account, paying all your bills on time, even the smallest one. Something like maybe you bought a mixer or mobile and it has like 6 months payments. Each one should be paid on time because it otherwise affects your Schufa. Next one is always have a signed work contract. Germany में working culture बहुत professional है, but that does not mean that every employer is honest. Mini jobs, part-time work, especially in restaurants and retail, under the table payment, no health insurance, unpaid months, ये सब भी होता है. No matter how casual the job feels, always get a signed contract because students are very easy target for restaurant owners or anybody to cheat or take advantage of for doing labor work. Keep a record of every hour you work. Next is everyday life. The recycling system will confuse you at first. जर्मनी का recycling system बहुत strict है और ये generally important है. Yellow bags or yellow bins are for plastic, recyclables and soft metals. Blue bin for paper and cardboard, black or grey for general waste, and glass goes in separate outdoor containers which are separated by color like transparent, green, brown. Next one is DB Navigator app. This is non-negotiable, especially as a student. Public transport in Germany is excellent, but trains are also sometimes delayed more often than people admit. Around 50% of the time, On longer routes, there will be some delay. DB Navigator आपका best friend है. It shows you live updates, alternative routes, and if your train is significantly delayed, you are legally allowed to switch to a different route on same ticket. See that this thing is also written on your ticket before you do that. And because there are ticket के भी types होते हैं, flexi ticket, normal ticket, तो जैसे लिया है उस हिसाब से you can change. Download it before your first train journey. It will make things pretty easier. You can also pay by credit card, so that's a relief. Next is German language. Learn basic German even if your job is in English. बहुत सारी companies in Germany work fully in English, but the moment you step outside office, German is literally everywhere. Doctor's appointments, government offices, landlords, neighbors, local shops. Basic German makes your daily life dramatically easier. Now, finding a doctor. That takes time and you need to plan ahead. Healthcare in Germany is genuinely world class, but finding a doctor who is accepting new patients is harder than you think. Clinics fill up fast, and you may have to call 5 or 6 places before you find one that has space. फ्लू आ गई, अपॉइंटमेंट बुक करो, 3 हफ्ते बाद मिलेगी. So as soon as you arrive, find a general practitioner, or it is called Hausarzt in German, and this person should be in your area. Register before you actually need one, so that when you really need one, you don't have to wait. Germany is, I think, an amazing country to build your life, but first few months can be really overwhelming if you go in unprepared. इन पॉइंट्स को सीरियसली लो और आपकी लाइफ बहुत ईजी हो जाएगी. अगर आप जर्मनी मूव करने की प्लानिंग कर रहे हो और चाहते हो कि कोई आपको स्टेप बाय स्टेप गाइड करे about job applications, how to network, how to contact people, how to land in the top 1% of applicants, then do contact me because I help people exactly with this, and link is in description. Like करो अगर आपको helpful लगा, और सब्सक्राइब करो बिकॉज नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम कवर करेंगे बिगेस्ट फाइनेंशियल मिस्टेक्स इंडियंस मेक in their first year in Germany. See you there. Bye bye.